Are you struggling to find a comfortable position for sleep or relaxation? Here are the 5 best wedge pillows I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Kolb's Bed Wedge Pillow. Let's kick things off with the Kolb's Bed Wedge Pillow. Priced at around $36.91, this pillow caught my eye with its chic jacquard cover and promise of relief for sleep apnea and acid reflux. If you want a chic yet functional wedge pillow, this is worth a serious look. This wedge pillow is designed to elevate your upper body, which can significantly improve your breathing at night. If you've ever struggled with sleep apnea or acid reflux, you know how uncomfortable it can be. The removable cover means you can keep it clean without hassle, and the plush memory foam provides comfort while the high-density core gives the support you need for a good night's sleep. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 20,000 plus customers have bought this in the past month, showing there's a real demand for effective sleep solutions. Now, some people complained that the pillow might be a bit too firm for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you prefer something soft, this might not be your best bet. But for those who need a solid incline for medical reasons, the firmness is actually a blessing. This pillow is perfect for you if you're dealing with sleep apnea, acid reflux, or just need extra support in bed. Skip this one if you're looking for something plush and soft, as it leans more towards the firmer side. For the price, it delivers great value considering the relief it offers. Now, if the firmness of the Kolb's pillow concerns you, the next one on our list might actually be more comfortable for your needs. Product number 2. The Bedlux Wedge Pillow Set. The Bedlux Wedge Pillow Set, retailing for about $39.99. This 3-piece set really stands out with its adjustable design, perfect for various needs from reading to post-surgical recovery. If you're looking for something that adapts to your lifestyle, this is a great choice. One of the key features is its adjustable height, allowing you to customize the incline based on your preference. This matters a lot because if you have back pain or snoring issues, finding the right angle can make a world of difference in your comfort. Plus, the premium memory foam ensures that it conforms to your body, offering support where it's needed most. With over 9,000 sold in the last month, it's clear folks are loving it. Now, some users pointed out that the set could take a bit of time to fully expand after unpacking, but honestly, that's pretty standard for foam products. Just give it a day or two to settle before you judge the comfort. This is perfect for you if you've just had surgery or need extra support while lounging or sleeping. Skip this one if you prefer a single-piece pillow, as the 3-piece design can be a bit more involved. Overall, for what you get, it's a solid investment in comfort. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for those looking for a comprehensive support system. Product number 3. Joker 4PCS Orthopedic Bed Wedge Pillow Set. Coming in at number 3 is the Joker 4PCS Orthopedic Bed Wedge Pillow Set, priced at $59.99. This set really caught my attention because it offers 4 pieces that can be arranged in multiple ways. If you want versatility in how you sleep or rest, you should definitely consider this one. What stands out here is the ergonomic design that fits the spine's natural curve, which is crucial for alleviating neck and back pain. If you've ever dealt with discomfort while trying to sleep, this can be a game changer. The memory foam filling provides a soft yet supportive experience, making it a perfect choice for those recovering from surgery or looking to improve their sleep quality. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold lately, there's clearly a lot of interest. However, some users mentioned that the pillows take time to regain their shape after unpacking. I'll be real with you, this is common with memory foam. Just be patient and give them a chance to expand fully for the best results. This set is ideal for anyone needing customizable support for various body parts while sleeping. Skip this if you want something simple and compact, as the 4-piece setup can be a little bulky. For the price, you're getting a lot of options for comfort. Now, if you're looking for something less complex, the next option might suit you better. Product number 4. Bedlux Wedge Pillow. The Bedlux Wedge Pillow for $29.95. This one has a straightforward design that really emphasizes comfort. If you want something simple but effective for acid reflux or back pain, this is worth checking out. The cooling gel-infused memory foam top layer is a big plus, especially if you tend to sleep hot. This feature helps regulate your temperature while providing comfort and support. Built-in pockets for your phone or remote control are a nice touch, making it practical as well. The removable cover is machine washable, which makes cleaning a breeze. With 2,000 sold in the last month, it's gaining traction. Now, some people found it a bit too firm for their liking. Here's the thing. If you're used to softer bedding, this may take some adjustment. But if you need that support for acid reflux or back pain relief, the firmness can actually help keep your body aligned. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable pillow that won't break the bank and meets basic needs. Skip this if you're after something plush or luxurious, as it's more on the functional side. For the price, it's a solid option that delivers good value. Now, if you want the versatility of a set but at a lower price, the final product on our list might be exactly what you need. Number 5, we have the WG-AKCED Wedge Pillow Set, priced at $32.99. This set caught my eye with its adjustable height design and anti-slip features. If you want something that gives you options without breaking the bank, this could be the right fit. The adjustable height is a standout feature, allowing you to customize your setup from 5.5 to 12 inches. This is great if you need flexibility for different activities, like sleeping, reading, or even after surgery. The memory foam ensures comfort, while the anti-slip bottom keeps it stable, so you won't have to readjust constantly. Plus, it's been bought over 2,000 times recently, indicating a good level of interest. However, a few users noted that it could take a while to expand fully once unpacked. Honestly, this is just a normal characteristic of foam products. Give it some time to breathe and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you need a customizable solution for various needs, from sleeping to working. Skip this one if you're looking for a one-piece pillow, as it consists of multiple adjustable components. For the price, you're getting a versatile setup that can cater to many different scenarios. So to quickly recap, we've seen the Kolb's Bed Wedge for those who need firmness, the Bedlux Wedge Pillow Set for versatility, the Yo-Joker for ergonomic support, the straightforward Bedlux Wedge, and the WG-AKCED for adjustable options. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bedlux Wedge Pillow Set because it offers great adaptability for different uses.